Hello UPSC aspirants, hope you are doing well and your preparation and the final revision is in full swing. Chandigarh Civil Service stream is now bringing up last 1 week strategy, or you could say some basic tips which you should incorporate in your preparation for final week. So first and foremost, make sure you are not running after some new sources or new source of information, because any new thing acquired at this stage may not be so productive. Just be content with whatever 1 year preparation you have done and revise that. If any topic is making you uncomfortable or any section you have not been able to perform till now, make sure you don't give up at this stage. Just follow 3R principle. First, read that topic patiently. Secondly, revise it multiple times and repeat this exercise till result is achieved. You will definitely do a lot better than what you are anticipating on the final day. And thirdly, lot of students have taken CSAT for granted over the years. Make sure you don't repeat this mistake. Just practice at least 2 mocks in the simulated exam condition, especially between 2:30 to 4:30, so that you are able to match the complexity as well as the difficulty of the exam. Practice the last year paper as well.
Hello students, this is Vivek. So before the exam, just follow 2 steps. If you are in the same city जहाँ पे आपका exam है, go and visit the center 2 days prior to the exam, so that on the examination day you don't get hurled up in the traffic. और दूसरा tip ये for the polity part, just revise parliament and judiciary part, because over the years the tendency has been कि इन दोनों parts में से they are asking frequent questions and it will be helpful for you to clear the exam. Thank you.
हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ये टाइम है आपको काम रहना है, रिलैक्स रहना है। हिस्ट्री के लिए स्टूडेंट्स आपको लीग से हटकर जो हमारे टॉपिक्स हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल पीजेंट मूवमेंट, ट्राइबल मूवमेंट, एजुकेशन, एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव रिफॉर्म, जुडिशियल रिफॉर्म्स, इन पर फोकस करना है। साथ में स्टूडेंट्स आर्टिकल कल्चर वाला जो पार्ट है उसके लिए जो न्यूज़ रही है हमारी थ्रू आउट द ईयर, जो लाइमलाइट में रही है न्यूज़, उनको आपको बार बार रिवाइज करना है। ठीक है, तो ये टिप्स आपको फॉलो करने हैं और इससे आपको बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प मिलने वाली है। सो बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर योर एग्जाम।
Thank you
Thank you very much.
थैंक यू।